Hello friends, welcome to ETKI Master Engineering Technology Knowledge and Information. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to see about the announcement of Reliance smartphone JioPhone 3. This video is going to be interesting guys, so do not skip the video and watch the video till the end to get the complete information. Let's begin the video with a question. What is smartphone? Smartphone is the one which performs many functions like a computer. It has a touchscreen interface. It can give you internet access. It has an operating system capable of running many apps. It features front and rear camera. Friends, if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications on latest videos. Before we get to know the features of JioPhone 3, let's see the evolution of JioPhone. Reliance launched JioPhone 1 in 2017 on Reliance 40th AGM, Annual General Meeting. It features 2.4-inch display, 512 MB of RAM, 4 GB internal storage, 128 GB expandable, 2 megapixel rear camera, 0.9 megapixel front camera, 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, supports VoLTE 4G network. It was priced around 1500 rupees. Reliance gave this mobile with lot of features that I think can be covered in some other video. JioPhone 2. Reliance launched JioPhone 2 in 2018 on Reliance 41st AGM. It features 2.4-inch display, 512 MB of RAM, 4 GB internal memory. All these features are same as JioPhone 1. It supports dual SIM 4G network. It also supports Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube and many other Jio apps. It was priced around 2999 rupees. As we know, Jio is going to launch a smartphone. Let's see what challenges Jio is going to face in the Indian market. India is a big market for smartphone with many global players. Jio is going to compete with those global players. Let's see some of them. Oppo, Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Sony, Nokia and many others. The leaders in the smartphone business are mainly Chinese companies. To our surprise, most of the smartphone components are sourced from China and assembled in India. With this challenge, can India boycott China and make phones locally? India is the second largest market globally for smartphones after China. Major smartphone components are sourced from China and assembled in India. Major components include chipset, memory and display. These cannot be made in India because of high-end technology and skilled manpower requirement. JioPhone 3 is a part of Make in India initiative. To make this happen, Jio has done partnership with some of the global players in the market. Jio has done partnership with Facebook to make India one of the leading in digital societies. Partnership with Qualcomm for rolling out 5G infrastructure and services. Partnership with Google for developing an Android-based operating system, especially for Indian market. Finally, let's see what JioPhone 3 has got in it. Reliance announced JioPhone 3 in its 43rd AGM held on 15th July 2020. It will feature a 5-inch display with 294 ppi pixel density, 2 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage with 128 GB expandable, 2 megapixel front camera, 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash. It will run on 1.4 GHz quad-core MediaTek processor. Battery capacity will be 2800 mAh lithium-ion battery. Dual SIM support VoLTE. Operating system is Android version 8.1 Oreo. It is expected to launch soon in the Indian market with a price tag of 4500 rupees. Before we wind up, let's see Jio's 5G future in India. China's Huawei is the world's biggest 5G supplier today. As a part of Make in India initiative, Jio has designed and developed a complete 5G solution from scratch in India. Once Jio's 5G solution is proven at India, it will be an exporter of 5G solutions to other telecom operators globally. Reliance wants everyone to remember the year 2016, where Jio overturned India's telecom sector to become. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Thank you guys for watching the video.